Welcome guys. Let's do Bitcoin technical analysis and let me please show you what are new targets of Bitcoin and what are my new charts right now. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now, and please join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. And if you want to get $3,500 bonus of Phemex, Binance and Bybit exchanges, these are the bonuses: $1,200 bonus of Phemex exchange, $700 bonus of Binance exchange, and $1,600 bonus of Bybit exchange. Just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial minimum 1 BTC deposit you can get these bonuses absolutely free, which are tradable and which are withdrawable too. Let's dive into the content. This is Bitcoin 4-hour chart, and I was told you in my last video, this is strong support zone for the Bitcoin and it is at $37,700 price level. If Bitcoin price break this support zone, in that case Bitcoin price can go down to this zone, which is $36,500 to $36,000 price area. And I think Bitcoin have to hold this, and after that it have to bounce back from that area. But now I have to show you a very important thing. Let me please show you. First I have to remove these drawings, and then I have to put this fib retracement tool, and let me please show you what are the targets. Here you can see from top to bottom, and Bitcoin reject from that zone 0.5, and after that price again goes down to hit 36,300 and this level. And this is according to the this is following the pattern which is called dead cat bounce pattern. Let me please show you. In today's video I will show you 3 patterns and most important patterns. This is the dead cat bounce pattern, and after that here you can see price falls from this area, and after that price bounce back to fib retracement 0.50, and after that if fib retracement 0.50 area lose this, in that case price can further go down. And let me please show you. Here you can see price rejected exactly from that area, 0.5 area, and now it is at $37,800. This is the last chance for the Bitcoin. If unfortunately Bitcoin break this area, $37,700 area, in that case 36,000 is our last hope and last strong support zone for the Bitcoin. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. Let me please show you my next chart, and let me please show you. I will show you this bump and run pattern, and I was told you that this is down sloping horizontal resistance, down sloping resistance line, and Bitcoin have to break this. But before break this, Bitcoin price can retrace to this level 37,700, and Bitcoin price have to hold this. And here you can see how beautifully Bitcoin price still holding this area, and I think Bitcoin price can go up after that, and after that it can go down to retest this down sloping resistance line, and after that price will go up. It is according to the bump and run pattern. Let me please show you. This is bump and run pattern. Here you can see this is successful bump and run pattern. Let me zoom this, and here you can see this is horizontal down sloping resistance line. Here you can see several touches, here you can see several touches, here you can see several touches, but price fails to break this area, and price retrace, and after that price goes up and break this resistance line, and after breaking this price again retrace towards downside. Here you can see, and after now this resistance line will act like a support zone, and after that price bounce back and new upside rally is started. And this is successful pattern, bump and run success pattern, and this is the failure pattern. Price tries to break this, but do not hold this support, and after that price goes down. These are the patterns, and Bitcoin price is following this same thing. Until now we are in this bump and run success pattern, and I think price can have to move towards upside after hitting this zone, and I think after breaking this this resistance line, price can go down to retest this zone, and after that price can go up. This will be the successful pattern. And if unfortunately Bitcoin price break this area, in that case price can go down. And here you can see this yellow line is 50 daily exponential moving average line, and now it is turning as a support zone. Here you can see this is also a support zone for the Bitcoin. Here you can see this is a support, this was a support zone, but price Bitcoin candles break this and price goes down. And here you can see this is act like a support zone, act like a support zone, act like a support zone, and here you can see it is also act like a support zone, acts like a support zone, support zone, support zone, and now it is still acting like a support zone for the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin price is still holding this areas, $37,700 and 50 daily exponential moving average support zone 2. Let me please show you my next chart. Here you can see this I was told you that Bitcoin this is a resistance line, and down sloping resistance line, and Bitcoin trying to break this but fails, and now Bitcoin price is ready to retest these two lines, which are 20 daily exponential moving average lines and 50 daily moving average line. And here you can see Bitcoin price is still spotting this area. Here you can see after touching this 20 daily exponential moving average line, Bitcoin price bounce back. These two lines still acting like a support for the Bitcoin, and I think Bitcoin price have to bounce back from that zone. And here you can see, because these lines are very, very important, and these lines, here you can see these lines act like a support zone. And here you can see I show you in my previous video these all things, and now I'm repeating this just because of knowledge and for understanding. I will show you this pattern. This is a very, very beautiful pattern, bottom broadening bottom pattern, and here you can see several touches from outside up trend line, and several touches to down trend line, and this is support zone $37,700 area. And after that I think price have to bounce back from that zone and break this upper trend line, and have to retest this upper trend line, and after that price will go up according to the pattern. Let me please show you the pattern. This is a kind of pattern, and here you can see price goes down from up to downside, and after that price can move like in between these ranges, and after that price goes up. And this is broadening bottom pattern, and this is broadening top pattern. In broadening bottom pattern price goes up, in broadening top pattern price after hitting this top zone top trend line price goes down. We have to wait, we have to be very, very trade this very carefully. And here you can see this is 50 daily daily exponential moving average line, this yellow line, and it is turning as a support zone. Here you can see, here you can see, here you can see, here you can see, and now here you can see this line is acting like a strong support zone for the Bitcoin. We have to wait. And let me please show you my next chart. Here you can see these both EMAs, 20 EMA and 50 EMA daily crossover still have you can see, and still this is holding this price zone and this price level, and I think it have to must hold here price area, and after hitting this area I think price can go up. This is my technical analysis, friends. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and join me on Telegram and Twitter. And if you want to get $3,500 bonus of Phemex, Binance and Bybit exchanges, just go to in this video's description where you can get a pin message and these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit, minimum 1 BTC deposit, you can get $1,200 bonus of Phemex exchange, $700 bonus of Binance exchange, and $1,600 bonus of Bybit exchange. My last words are that Bitcoin have to hold this area. This is very, very important area, $37,000 area, $37,700, $37,000 area. If Bitcoin break this, then 36,000 is our last hope. And if Bitcoin break 36 to, in that case 30,000, definitely Bitcoin can hit. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me.